So what's happening with background checks and when can you use one? This is Dave at AFX Search, licensed investigators. Background checks are becoming a very narrow range of research. The states individually and the federal government are passing laws very quickly in the last year and a half about how background checks can be used, especially regarding employment. If you're running a background check for employment, you need to check your state's employment laws and even the federal employment laws and what the EEOC is giving for guidelines about how you can use that information to determine if an employee may be available for that role. One thing to look at is, are you using commercial databases or the official government records? If you use commercial databases, there may be errors, there may be omissions, there may be different names mixed together. If you use the official government records, you may be in better shape. It does take a little longer, it does cost more money, but they're the official records. A commercial database basically pulls information from government records and merges them all together, and there could be a lot of errors there. And if there is an error and you make a decision based on saying, hey, this person has a criminal record, you could be liable for losses or damages or be sued by that person because you made a decision based on that information. Even if you weren't the one who pulled it, if you have an investigator pull from a commercial database and you use that information, you could be liable. So make sure you don't have too many layers between yourself and those official records. Every commercial database or researcher or investigator is one more layer that can introduce errors into the system. So if you have questions about running a background check for any purpose, you can reach us at our website at afxsearch.com.